as perhaps you've been watching this analysis around now the judiciary as it goes forward with succession, that the Deputy Chief Justice, who's now acting CJ, is one such judicial officer who's facing integrity questions. She has been serving as ombudsman, meaning she oversees and hears also questions of integrity, concerns of other judicial officers. So for you then, as what you've described now, do you think the woes she faced and the integrity questions are revisit or are trying to ensure she does not take over from you? What do you make of it all?
I don't know what to make of that. Mm-hmm. But what I would say is that the Deputy Chief Justice is entitled to a fair hearing. Due process. Yeah. Due process. You condemn her before you have had her fully, it will be a tragedy. It will be a tragedy. Yeah. If it is part of the revisit, and I don't know whether that is the case. Mm. Yeah, it could very well be, or it could not be. If it's part of the revisit, then any other judge of the Supreme Court will fear that you make a decision like this, especially because the Supreme Court and the High Court are the courts which decide political cases. Yeah. The politicians are going to come up with allegations to hound you out of office, and that's creating fear, which is totally unacceptable in a judiciary. And if these allegations were to be proved right, then again it would dent the image of the judiciary, wouldn't it? So that, for instance, I look at the former Chief Justice Mutunga. Mm. When his deputy challenged the retirement age, Kalpana Rawal, he directed that she step aside, or not hear matters, more accurate, until her matter was heard, so that she was then not still operating whilst this matter was heard. So perhaps in closing, you don't see there being a problem that she does not, clearly you handed over to her, but you don't see it as a challenge, or you don't see how the concerns around that she's facing this, and in these other spheres of public life, you're seeing step aside, you're seeing don't access office, you don't see that challenge.